back to another video of Aviation COS. In today's video, we have an unboxing of some 3 model aircrafts. Yes, I think so. Yes, 3 model aircrafts, I think. And then, yeah, we're just gonna get unboxing. This is my first unboxing on my channel. Haven't posted in like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, something like that. But yeah, let's just get unboxing. So yes, I've already opened them. So yeah, I've already opened them. Yeah, cross these out. Can't stalk me now. But yeah, I already opened them. Make sure they are my packages or what they are from. What I'm supposed, where are my planes? So yeah, we're gonna start off with this one. So we're gonna start with this one. There's only one model in this box. These are from the Midwest Model Store, as you can see there. Yeah, so let's get unboxing. We are now here on Colorado Springs. Move this guy out of the way. Alright, so we have here at Colorado Springs. I won't show you the airport because it's all set up for the airport update except for this side. Yeah, so let's just get unboxing here. So opened it already, so now I'm just gonna confirmation. Have my address on it, can't show you that. And here we go. This is gonna take a while to get the box, this box out of the box, so I'll see you when it's done. All right, after that, here we have the aircraft. This is the Boeing 737-700s operated by Southwest. It is in the Colorado 1 color scheme. As you can see, it is in the old one, Old Canyon blue livery. I just feel like it looks better. So yeah. So I got this one only because Colorado Springs, yeah. But anyway, we're just gonna get unboxing this. So we'll take this out, and there's the model. All right, I think there's something else in here. One of these things, don't know why NG sends this, but yeah. Put that off to the side. And here is the model itself. So let's take it out of this plastic stuff right here. And there's the model. Okay, and there is the model. Try to get a better view of this, and I'll see you in a bit. All right, as you know, we have a close-up, as you can see right here. And now we'll just get into details. So we have the little Colorado 1 thing right here. The windshield for the pilot right here. The nose of the aircraft. The landing gear right here. And then we have the door, the first door right here. Looks like this is a little Wi-Fi sign thing. The big C on the Colorado and the yellow in the center. And now we'll move a little bit to the center of the aircraft. So now we're at the center of the aircraft. As you can see right here, we have the engine with the white and blue, the first door, the landing gear, and then the 2 antennas right here. Now I'll move you up a little bit higher so you can see. Here we have the first antenna, and then the second antenna, and then this is the Wi-Fi box right here. And then to show you the winglets, I'll just zoom out a little bit. And then there you can see the winglet. I can't really get it into focus. Let me try to get it into focus right here. Can't really get into focus, but the winglet doesn't have anything special on it. So we'll just move on to the tail right here. Okay, kind of hard for you to see, but anyway, there's the tail, the giant Southwest Canyon blue tail, and yeah, I think it really looks nice with these special state liveries. All right, Now we have our second box. I think there are 2 planes in this box. Now, I ordered from Amazon, which I do not usually do for models, but I got a $50 gift card on Amazon for Christmas, and I just saw this other aircraft that I really like too, and I was just, might as well just get it on Amazon. I'm already here. So, yeah, that's why I got it from Amazon this time. I usually do use a Diecast Airplane Store or a Midwest Model Store. Either one of those 2 companies. I would rather recommend the Midwest Model Store, but Diecast Airplane Store has a lot more options. But yeah, let's just get into here. So I'll take since these are 2 models, I'll just take them out, both of them, and then we'll go into detail. So we have kind of just like Midwest and Diecast send you this stuff. And then we have, okay, first model I got, you probably actually already saw this model in the airport update of my fictional airport. Thing is, that one actually broke. Yeah, I was taking it upstairs and it broke. Then I sold it to a friend for like $20 because he had a fish tank and he wanted to put it in his fish tank. So sold it to him for $20. And yeah, I ordered another one of these. It is an Alaska airplane, and I just really like this model, so here it is. The Alaska Embraer ERJ-175. This is the SkyWest version. And yeah, so that's the first one. Put that one off to the side. And then this second one right here is the Southwest Boeing 737-800 in the Freedom 1 livery. I love this livery. I just love it. One of my favorite liveries, and it's in the 800. So, 800 is my favorite. So, yeah, those 2 are what I ordered. So, let's get into detail, and we will start off with this one. So, we'll put this one off to the side, and yeah, we'll get started unboxing this. Amazing unboxing. I love unboxings. How couldn't you not like an unboxing? Alright, sorry about that. Alright, let's see about this. Some hair on it. Huh. Okay, and then here is in the model. Now let's get into detail. Alright, we are at the front of the aircraft right here. Move it a little bit. There we go. Can't really get it to focus on my camera that well. But it is an old camera, so yeah. Anyway, here's the One World little thing right there, the Alaska SkyWest. Can't really see what it says right here. Got the windows. I can kind of see the whole aircraft, the engine, the nose right here, the cockpit, and the landing gear. And I'll kind of just move the aircraft a little towards there. You can see we have the enhanced winglets right here. Again, like right there. No antennas on this. Yeah, no antennas because I think, I just don't see any antennas. There's nothing that came off, that's for sure. But anyway, here's the tail. I like the Alaska tail very much. And then the horizontal stabilizers. So yeah, that's that model. And yeah, really love it. All right, next off we have a Southwest Boeing 737-800. Let's just get unboxing. And there is the model. Now, we're gonna get into further detail. Right here in the front of the aircraft, we have the beautiful stars of the American flag, and then we also have the Freedom 1 writing right here, the cockpit landing gear. You can even see that the landing gear on the Gemini jets are not as detailed as, say, the NG ones. Let me pull that up for you right now. So as you can see, the NG ones just have, you know, that little detail right, here, let me point it out for you, like right here, this little part right there. The Gemini Jets one does not have. Now, it could be just because it's a 700, and we're gonna test that because I have a 700 right here. So let's see. Yeah, so as you can see, here's another 700. And, you know, they just don't put as much detail as the NG ones. You know, I think they could just, that little thing, you know, could make it a little bit better. You can even see on the NG one, the one on the my Southwest Boeing 737-800 from NG, it also has that little thing right there, and it looks really nice. So I think if NG would just, Gemini Jets, they would just add that little detail, it would look a lot nicer. So that's the first thing I have noticed on these Gemini Jets 737s, is that they just don't add that little detail. And then they all look different, to be honest. If you saw the other 700, it looked a little different than this one right here. So, you know, if Gemini Jets can do what NG models does, I think they'll be pretty good with detailing the landing gear. But anyway, you see the stars on the livery. You have the heart right here for Southwest, and then we'll move on. We have the center of the aircraft. You have the engines, which has the start of the red and white stripes, and then this little detail right here, which I think, which I really like that. Even both Gemini Jets and NG models do. They color this little part right here. So yeah, we'll move back to the winglets. Winglets, they're just pretty plain. Nothing on them, really, no color schemes or anything. And yeah, I think if Southwest, they should add maybe at least a little bit of color on these winglets, because they kind of just oops, sorry, my tripod fell. And then the tail, as you know, it's the Southwest Special Livery tail. So it's a little different, as you know. And yeah, there's a registration, N500WR, American flag. And yeah, I think this is a really beautiful model. And yeah, I think Gemini Jets did a pretty good job on this model. Sorry, it's a little blurry. Yep, a pretty good job on this model. And yeah, that is all our models. That is the end of this video, of this unboxing. I hope you guys really enjoyed this, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. See ya.